Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject thermodynamics for civil services mains, IFS, and various gate exam. Next topic in the chapter of thermodynamic cycle is your linear cycle. So it consists of the following processes. 1, 2 is your heat addition, that is constant volume process. 2, 3 is your reversible adiabatic expansion, and 3, 1 is your heat rejection, that is your constant pressure process. So this is the PV diagram, this is TS diagram. It is used in pulse jet engine. So here, as heat is supplied during constant volume, so that is, so heat supplied per unit mass is your CVT2 minus T1, and heat is rejected during constant pressure process, so it is CPT3 minus T1. Okay, and the cycle efficiency will be 1 minus Q2 by Q1. Okay, and Q2 is this quantity and Q1 is this quantity, so this is 1 minus gamma bracket T3 minus T1 divided by T2 minus T1. Okay, and Rp is your pressure ratio, so that is P2 by P1. Okay, and if we apply state equation between 1 and 2, then P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by P2, or T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1. Okay, because this is your constant volume process, so V1 is equal to V2, so it will be T2 is equal to T1 P2 by P1, and P2 by P1 is your Rp, so T2 is Rp T1. Okay, so now this 2 3 process is your reversible adiabatic or isentropic process, so T3 by T2 is equal to P3 by P2 raised to power gamma minus 1 by gamma, and P3 is equal to P1, so we can write as P1, or P2 by P1 is your Rp, and so T3 will be equal to T2 into 1 by Rp raised to power gamma minus 1 by gamma. Okay, and T2 is Rp into T1. Okay, so putting here Rp into T1. So if we solve it, then it will be Rp raised to power 1 by gamma, Rp raised to power 1 by gamma, or Rp 1 minus gamma minus 1 by gamma will be 1 by gamma. Okay, so now we have the value of T3 in terms of T1, value of T2 in terms of T1. Okay, so we can put it here, so it will be 1 minus gamma. T3 is T1 Rp raised per 1 by gamma, and this is your T1 divided by R1 T1 Rp minus T1. This is your T1 Rp minus T1. So cycle efficiency will be this quantity, so which is only the function of pressure ratio as well as gamma. Gamma is constant for air, so R it is only the function of pressure ratio. So that is your linear cycle efficiency.